Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Mustache Monday. If you wear makeup, you probably have a powder brush. This week I will show you how to turn this into a beauty device and do a little facelift and lymphatic drainage. This is based on Dr. Sato's lymphatic care. You probably have different kinds of brushes like I do. For this, use a powder brush that is larger and softer, and mine's very soft and wide so it covers a bigger area. Here's my before. I am not wearing the ear hook jewelry. I'm going to do the left side first. I will start with my neck to clear the neck lymph first. Use the brush to caress down the neck from top to bottom. I'll do 10 times each. Then, caress down the side of your face to the jaw. Caress sideways over the forehead. Caress sideways over the side of the eye. Caress down diagonally on the cheek to the jaw. Caress sideways from the corner of the mouth to the jaw. Caress sideways from the chin to the jaw. Caress down the back of the ear to the jaw. You're stimulating the auricular branch of the vagus nerve, which will relax you too. Then caress down the neck downward. That's it. Let's see the difference. I think the bulge on the cheek is less and the eye is bigger. Now I'm going to do the right side, starting with the neck. Side of my face. Sideways on the forehead. Side of my eye. Diagonally down on the cheek. Sideways from the mouth to the jaw. Sideways from the chin to the jaw. Downward in the back of the ear to the jaw. And down the neck. I think the right side is lifted more than the left side, so I have to do the left side again. I've tried different methods to lift up my face with rubber bands and ear hook jewelries, but by now I believe my right side shows the effect easier. You can do this as many times as you want throughout the day, or incorporate this when you wear makeup, or whenever you feel like giving a little love to your face. The key is to do it gently by laying the brush flat on the face. Besides lymphatic drainage, this brushing helps to improve circulation and tone up your skin. Sideways from the mouth to the jaw. Sideways from the chin to the jaw. Downward in the back of the ear to the jaw. And down the neck. This is the before and after of the entire process. I think my face was depuffed and a little bit slimmer. What do you think? Remember, the key is to do it gently by laying down the brush flat on your face and caress. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.